How's it going, guys? Jared here. Welcome back to my channel. Now, I didn't really have anything planned for this video other than the fact that I saw it was going to rain tonight, so I figured why not come out to the city and do another POV walkthrough, since really it's been a while since I've actually gone out into the street and take photos, especially at night during the rain. So this is where we're at right now. It's pretty dead, but it's alright. Now it's actually 2 a.m. right now, and it's actually pretty cold out. I got no gloves on me. But let's see what kind of photos we can take out here. So I'm gonna put you guys right up here. You know, for a city like Jersey City to be completely empty like this, considering the fact that it's right across from New York City, it's pretty bizarre, at least to me. Yeah, it's starting to pour out here. Let's take a little stroll down here. You know what? Next time if I'm gonna do this, I cannot forget my gloves. My hands are, oh my gosh, my hands are freezing right now. I always forget my gloves for no reason. But it doesn't beat this view. It's pretty crazy, it's this empty right now. Alright, we got the World Trade Center. Let's see if you can actually see this. Come on, steady hands, steady hands. Okay. Alright, it's pretty in focus. It's good enough. Oh my gosh, my hands are freezing. Alright, I'm gonna try to not walk too far away from where I parked. Alright, let's see if we can see this. Ah, that's another thing I forgot. I should have brought a rag. Ah, I hear a tram. Let's see if we can catch it. Come on, faster, faster, faster. See if we can catch this. Well, we sort of caught it. I should have changed the drive mode, but it's okay. Alright, pretty cool. It's pretty nice. I don't know if you guys are completely covered in water, so let me give you a quick clean. It's crazy. I haven't seen a single human being ever since I got here, or at least ever since I started walking around. It's like a ghost town at night. Let's see how this looks. gosh. This is terrible. I knew I should have planned this out better. Oh my gosh. Well, at least with empty streets, we don't have to worry about cars coming. Got the World Trade Center in the middle right here. It's pretty cool. Let's see how this looks. Oh gosh, I really hope this is in focus. I don't really care about the glare. Alright, so I'm thinking about circling back to the car now. I'm probably just driving to another spot and see if there's anything else there that we can find. If not, then I'm probably just gonna go home and edit these. It's already, what time is it? It's just about to be 3 a.m. and I am starving. I probably shouldn't eat anything, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Oh, this looks pretty cool too. What I really want to get is another shot of the rail passing through. I'm not sure how long it's been since the last one passed through. It made a round trip. Honestly, it's been a while since I've done one of these POV videos. So, if you guys want to see more of these, let me know down in the comments and I'll try to make more of an effort to put more of these kind of videos out. I mean, I enjoy them. And if you guys enjoy them, then that makes me happy too. Alright, the rain pretty much lightened up now. Not raining as heavy as it did before. Trying to see if I can catch a car passing by. I guess this will have to do. What's up? Oh no, not you. Just the building. All good. Have a good night. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Just for the fun of it. Take care. That's funny. Is anyone coming? No? Oh boy. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I can already start to hear the birds chirping. That's how you know I stayed out here for a little bit too long. I think it's time to call it quits and go home. Let's go down this way. I like the way the light is shining through the mist up there. Looks pretty cool. Come on, steady hands. Did I get that? Yeah, I got it. It's pretty cool. You know, sometimes it's hard nowadays to come up with new ideas for content, especially for, you know, newcomer YouTubers like me. Or, I mean, I really shouldn't call myself a newcomer. I've had this channel for years, and I've just never really acted on it too much because, you know, life, work, and a bunch of other factors. But this year I'm actually kind of proud to say that I'm taking it a little bit more seriously. Yeah, for the past couple of years I've just been working a lot. I've had a lot of stress for like the past couple of years, or maybe even, or pretty much just about the first half of the 2020s. Yeah, mostly due to life changes, relationship issues, work, a lot of work especially. There was one point where I was just working 3 jobs, and yeah, it really took a toll on my health. So, oh, this looks pretty cool. It really makes you appreciate human innovation, honestly. Looks like it's this building looks like you're playing a game of Jenga. Let's see, did I get that? Yeah, I got it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. But yeah, like I was saying, what I do need is a vacation. And like right now. Oh, that's another thing. Next week, I think it's next week, I'm going to Puerto Rico. So I might turn it into a little vlog. But yeah, I'm going to Puerto Rico next week, so I'm definitely excited for that. It's gonna be my first time leaving the country, since it's a territory. But yeah, it'll be my first time leaving, I guess, the mainland since, I don't know, maybe 2018, 2019 was the last time I left. Yeah, I've just been working a lot, really. But that's all gonna change this year. I do want to travel to Europe eventually. This looks pretty cool. This looks like a nice cafe. Might come here one of these days. That building looks pretty cool too, with those lights at the very top. I wonder if I could. Come on, focus. Not gonna focus. Come on, there we go. You got all that smoke up there too, all that mist. It's pretty cool. In case you guys were wondering, I'm rocking the Sony A7iii F2.8 right now, and it's a really good lens. I like it. It gets the job done for pretty much anything, really. And I haven't seen the tram come by. Alright, next time, definitely bring the lens hood and a pair of gloves, most importantly. Right now it's not as windy, but I definitely need gloves next time. Alright, I'm starting to run out of battery on my camera, so I'm gonna take a few more and then head on home. And there she is in all her beauty. You know, one time, I'm pretty sure I made a video on this, and it was actually a couple of years ago. But one time I was actually here in the city, and I was doing a POV, and it was actually legit storming, like really bad. And when I was pretty much done and ready to leave, I got in my car, and I tried cranking it, no crank. So, mind you, it was like 20 degrees, it was storming, it was super windy, I had no heat. Bro, I was freezing in the car. I tried jumping my car with a jump pack, and then I figured out right then and there that it was my starter not engaging. But luckily, my good friend Steven was able to pick me up and take me home, and then I got the car towed the next day, and definitely changed the starter. But that was the first time the car has ever failed me, really. But other than that, she still drives like a beauty, and I'm happy to have her. Alright. Alright, that pretty much wraps up the video. I'm pretty soaked and I'm really tired. And it's already 3 a.m. so I'm gonna start driving on home. But I hope you guys liked the video, and as always, keep chasing the horizon, and I'll catch you guys in Puerto Rico.